right, welcome back to the workshop. I've got the upper control arm of the Buick out, and I've got one of the bushings out. So I was watching, I mentioned before, there's the Car Tapes channel on YouTube, and the guy does a really good job walking you through like every little step. So following his directions, I got the upper control arm bushing out. And what that entails is you would drill out the rubber would be here, right? You drill it all out and hit it with a chisel, right, to kind of dent the bushing shell in, right? And then he has you squeeze a chisel in between the wall of the bushing shell and the control arm, and you just chisel your way through and you just work it out. And it took me a while, but I got it. I was just using a hammer, progressively larger chisels until they pushed it out. So I got that out, but now I'm using the ball joint press to get the other side out, so I don't have to hammer on it so much. And I've got this kind of crazy contraption going through here, but it's starting to work. You get your adapters all lined up. You put the catching cup for the bushing to get pushed into, and it's not putting stress on the A-arm structure at all. I couldn't get it in my press because obviously the press has to have room to come down. So I'm doing it this way, and it seems to be working. So let's run the impact. There we go. Looks like it's just about out. So I'm going to take this off and I should be good to go. Thanks. Bye, everyone.